Ever wondered why some websites rank higher than others on search engines? It's all about on-page SEO. Picture this. You've poured hours into crafting the perfect website. It's sleek, it's user-friendly, and it's packed with compelling content. Yet, when you type your keywords into a search engine, your website is nowhere to be found. Enter on-page SEO. On-page SEO, or search engine optimization, is essentially a set of strategies that help search engines understand the content and context of your website. It's like giving a tour guide to a search engine, helping it navigate your site and understand what each page is about. This, in turn, helps the search engine decide how relevant and valuable your website is to users searching with specific keywords. The importance of on-page SEO cannot be overstated. It acts like a magnet, attracting organic or non-paid traffic to your site. When your website is optimized for search engines, it's more likely to appear in the results when someone enters a query related to your content. This means more visibility, more visitors, and ultimately, more opportunities for engagement and conversion. But here's the catch. On-page SEO isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It needs to be tailored to your specific website and audience. It's not just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about providing valuable, relevant content and making sure it's easily accessible and understandable for both users and search engines. It's a delicate balance that requires a bit of finesse and a lot of knowledge about how search engines work. Moreover, the world of on-page SEO is ever evolving. Search engines are constantly updating their algorithms, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to keep track of these changes and adapt accordingly. It's a bit like trying to hit a moving target, but with the right strategies and understanding, it's certainly achievable. So, if you want your website to be seen and heard in the vast digital landscape, on-page SEO is your secret weapon. It's the key to unlocking your website's potential and reaching your target audience effectively. In the next few minutes, we will dive deeper into the components of on-page SEO and how you can optimize it. Now let's dissect the components of on-page SEO. Our first port of call is the title tag. Picture this as your web page's headline in the search engine results. It's crucial to make it catchy, concise, and relevant. Your title tag should incorporate your primary keyword, and ideally, it should be placed towards the beginning. Next up, we have the meta description. This is a brief summary of your web page that appears under the title tag in search engine results. It's your opportunity to entice the potential visitor to click through to your site. Include your primary keyword in the meta description, but remember to make it sound natural, like you're having a chat with a friend. Now let's talk URLs. These are the addresses of your web pages. Good practice is to keep your URLs short, clean, and keyword-rich. This makes them easy to remember and more attractive to both search engines and humans. Head tags are next on the list. These are the headings and subheadings on your web page. They range from H1 to H6, with H1 being the main heading. It's important to use these tags to structure your content and make it easier to read. Your H1 should include your primary keyword, while your other headings should incorporate related keywords. Let's move on to content quality. This is a biggie. High-quality content is engaging, relevant, and valuable to your visitors. It should answer their questions, solve their problems, or entertain them. The more engaging your content, the longer visitors will stay on your page, which is a big thumbs up for your SEO. Keyword usage is another important component. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines. Your job is to sprinkle these magic words throughout your content. But here's the catch. You need to do it naturally without overstuffing your content. Image SEO is often overlooked, but it's a gem. When you add images to your content, make sure to optimize them with the right file name and alt text. This helps search engines understand what your image is about and can help your page rank in image search results. Next, we delve into internal and external linking. Internal links are links that go from one page on your site to another page on the same site. External links, on the other hand, are links that go from your site to another site. Both types of links help search engines understand the content of your site and can help boost your SEO. Finally, we touch on website loading speed. This is how quickly your web page loads. A slow-loading website can be a turnoff for visitors and can harm your SEO. Therefore, it's essential to optimize your website for speed. These components are the building blocks of a well-optimized website, but how do we use them effectively? The key to effective on-page SEO is understanding content clusters and keyword networks. Let's dive into the world of content clusters first. Picture a spider's web, where the spider at the center represents your pillar content, the main theme or topic. This pillar content is a comprehensive piece that covers the topic extensively. Now the threads extending from the spider are your cluster content, related subtopics that link back to the pillar. This structure helps organize your content in a way that's not just user-friendly, but also search engine-friendly. It's like telling search engines, hey, I've got all this related content around this one topic, I must be an authority on this. Now, on to keyword networks. Ever played the game of 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon? It's similar to that. In the SEO world, Kevin Bacon is your main keyword, and the other actors are related keywords. You're trying to connect your main keyword with relevant related keywords in your content. Keyword networks help you identify and use these right keywords, which can improve your visibility in search engine results. It's like a roadmap guiding you on what words and phrases to use in your content. So, how do these two concepts intertwine? Well, when you create your content clusters, each piece of cluster content should be targeting a related keyword from your keyword network. This creates a synergy between your content and keywords, increasing the relevancy and authority of your website in the eyes of search engines. But remember, it's not about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about creating valuable content that naturally incorporates these keywords. It's a delicate balance, like adding spices to a stew. Too little and it's bland, too much and it's overwhelming. By understanding and implementing content clusters and keyword networks, you can create a topical map for your website. It's like laying out a buffet of topics for search engines to feast upon, each dish perfectly seasoned with the right keywords. And when search engines are happy, your website climbs up the rankings, reaching more eyes and ultimately generating more leads and conversions. Ever thought about the role of data science and natural language processing, NLP, in on-page SEO? Well, it's an intriguing tale of technology and marketing intertwining to shape the future of online content. Data science, in essence, is the extraction of meaningful insights from raw data. When it comes to SEO, data science is like the cartographer mapping the landscape of user behavior. It deciphers patterns in how users interact with content, what they search for, and how they navigate through websites. This analysis is invaluable in tailoring SEO strategies. For instance, if data reveals that users bounce off a page quickly, it might suggest the need for better keyword alignment or more engaging content. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP. It's a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans through language. It's like a translator, bridging the gap between human language and computer understanding. In the context of on-page SEO, NLP plays a crucial role in understanding the semantics and context of content. It allows search engines to go beyond mere keyword matching. Instead, they can understand content in the way a human reader would. This means search engines can now evaluate the relevance of content, the sentiment it carries, and its overall quality. For example, let's say you're writing a blog post about apple farming. NLP allows search engines to understand that your content is about horticulture, not technology or fruit recipes. This ensures your content reaches the right audience, improving its SEO performance. In a nutshell, data science and NLP are like the backstage crew in a theater production. They work behind the scenes, but their roles are pivotal. Data science helps us understand the audience, their preferences and behavior. NLP, on the other hand, ensures that the content is understood and evaluated in the right context. That's how data science and NLP have revolutionized on-page SEO. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about on-page SEO. We've established its importance in driving organic traffic and achieving a higher ranking on search engines. It's not just about inserting keywords, it's about creating a well-structured, easily navigable website with high-quality, relevant content. We've delved into the components of on-page SEO, from title tags to meta descriptions, and how each element plays a pivotal role in enhancing your site's visibility and usability. We also explored the concept of content clusters and keyword networks, which aid in establishing a strong topical authority and create a logical, user-friendly structure for your content. Moreover, we touched on the influence of data science and natural language processing in SEO. They help analyze trends, understand user behavior, and optimize content to align with search engine algorithms. Remember, a well-optimized website is key to driving organic traffic and achieving a higher ranking on search engines. So start optimizing